Welcome viewers to another exciting episode of IndianSpicemix.com. Today we will learn how to make Dhaba style egg masala gravy, and for this yummy recipe the basic ingredients that we need are 3/4 teaspoon of cumin or jeera, 4 cardamom, half an inch cinnamon, 2 cloves and 2 whole red chili. We also need 5 boiled eggs. You can pierce them with the help of a fork, or you can even omit that step. We will add pinch of turmeric and chili powder and give it a nice swirl so that the masala gets nicely coated with the eggs. And this step will give the eggs a bright red color when frying. If you are in a hurry, yes, you can omit this step as well. We also need 2 boiled potatoes here. We need 1 green chili, few pods of garlic, half an inch ginger and 1 red onion. We will grind everything together in a nice paste. 2 ripe red tomatoes. Once again we'll grind them into a paste. A fresh twig of coriander leaves. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. We also need 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and we'll mix all the dry spices except garam masala powder with few spoons of water to make it in a nice paste. This will prevent the masala to get burned while cooking and also allow to mix all the spices with each other. We need mustard oil, and 3 teaspoons of mustard oil we are using here, and salt as per taste. Egg curry can be prepared in various ways, but here I am using the most simplest one, which will yield delicious taste. We'll heat oil in a pan and we'll allow it to become smoky hot. We carefully place the eggs one by one and look at the bright red color. And we'll fry the eggs for few minutes. We will also add the potatoes. Though the potatoes are well cooked, but this step will give them a bright red color. We will not over fry them because over frying the eggs will make the outer skin of it very chewy, but we will just give them a light brown, a golden color to appear. We'll transfer the content into a separate bowl, and in the same pan we'll add the remaining oil and allow it to become hot. Now it's time for the dry whole spices. First we'll add the red whole chilies and we'll saute it for a few seconds. And then we'll add the cinnamon stick, cardamom pods, cloves, and we'll saute everything gently for another few seconds. We'll add the cumin seed and we'll allow them to splutter and enjoy the beautiful aroma. We'll saute everything for 4 to 5 seconds, and this will keep the oil ready for the next step. Now it's time to add the onion, ginger, garlic and chili paste. We'll fry the masala paste nicely for 4 to 5 minutes. We'll keep on stirring until the raw smell completely goes off and oil starts separating from the side of the pan. Now we will add the dry spice masala paste which we already prepared earlier. We'll saute the entire mix for 4 to 5 minutes. And no hurry in this step. We'll patiently keep on stirring until the masala paste nice aroma comes out. And we will check if oil has begun to separate from the bottom of the pan and from the side of the pan. And this will indicate that the masala is now ready for going into the next step. Now we will add tomato paste and saute it for another 4 to 5 minutes or until the raw smell of the tomato completely goes off. We will cook until oil separates from the side of the pan and keep on stirring. Now if you want a dry kind of egg gravy, then do not add any water. Rather you add the eggs and potatoes at this time and sprinkle with coriander leaves and your dry form of egg kosha will be ready. But if you want a egg gravy or curry consistency, then you add 1 cup of water. Here I am using normal water. If you want, you can use hot water as well, and mix everything gently together. Allow the gravy to come to a boiling point. And now it's time to place the eggs one by one in the curry. They are the real star of this recipe. We will also add the potatoes and give it a nice but gentle mix so the eggs are not getting sliced off. And ensure the eggs and potatoes are coated well with masala. And don't forget to pour some water in the bowl where you have kept the fried eggs and potatoes and add that water into the curry. Trust me, it adds extra flavor. I have seen my mother and grandmother using that water. And keep on stirring occasionally. Add the final spice powder, garam masala powder, and give it a nice and gentle mix. Now it's time to sprinkle some freshly chopped coriander leaves and mix well. Cook for another good 1 minute and then transfer into a serving bowl. The simple and delicious egg masala curry is now ready to be served. You can pair it up with fulka or paratha or rice and pulao. Choice is endless. Thanks for watching this recipe, and until the next episode, happy cooking.